We go. Bibili kami ng pizza. Alan's Pizza. Ang hirap pag hindi mo.
Alright.
You're so short. But I can't see the lift. Oh, there.
Yes, you can.
You're good. Good, good, good.
Good for me.
Okay. Wala pa silang naluto kanina, so babalik kami doon sa tindahan. Oh, I'm gonna close the window. I think my hair is really tight. Ikot tayo. Maano lang siya, malapit lang. I can see. You just want pizza, babe.
Yeah. Maybe like a drink.
Drink like.
Sprite or something.
Okay.
Why do you have an egg?
That's my lunch. An egg. One egg.
You're gonna eat it raw?
I boiled it.
Oh,
not
it's a
raw.
boiled egg. Okay.
Yeah.
It's like you're gonna eat a raw egg.
Did you think that I cook it under the sun?
Yeah. Maybe you're gonna raise it. You're gonna raise the chicken.
I don't remember raising chicken. Like from the
But that would get you a chicken farm.
chicken
3
farm.
eggs.
Do you still like chicken? Chicks? Not anymore.
No comment.
No. So not anymore.
Yes, I do.
The Tractor Supply probably has some chicks mix.
Bet.
Dito tayo liko kasi
Where's the love sign kinda?
ha?
Where's the love sign kinda, you know, you know. Am I waiting here?
No, you have to go inside.
Why?
Why not?
Why, yes.
Yeah.
Why?
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 Because you're the man. Am I on the yellow lane?
Uh-huh.
It's okay.
You're not
Let's go,
only
guys.
yelling for me, my side.
Oh, I'm not. It's gonna. Yeah, I'm fine. Yeah, that's perfect. Perfecto. Ay, I need the cash. Then I forgot to lock the door too. Ay, ay, ay. I need the money. Okay, let's go. Go, go, gadget. Let's go in here. Pizza. Oh, they have a watermelon. Mahal man, oy. Ha?
You're getting really distracted.
I know. Here, oh.
Oh,
Oh.
cheese or pepperoni? This isn't good.
What? Do you want that one? Jalapeno pepperoni
Is it a
pizza?
full pizza?
Huh?
Can I
Yeah.
have a full pizza?
Yeah. I wonder how much is that whole
Just get
pizza.
like 2 slices of meat.
How much is the small double cheese? How about just get that one so Dad can eat too?
We're getting both.
Oh no.
Oh. What?
Or just that?
You can decide.
Huh?
You can decide.
Oh, that's fine.
Yes.
He doesn't need to eat.
Huh?
You like this one? Cheese. How about the jalapeno, babe? Oh, that's it. Let's get you a drink. This side. Or there, there's drink in here.
I'm so confused.